What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be getting into the 2024 KD4 Weatherman, which is going to be dropping summer 2024, maybe a little bit sooner. I will get confirmation on that soon, but yeah, pretty clean pair overall. Last time we saw these drop, again, this is going to be the retro version pretty much, because last time, or the first time we saw this release was in 2011, so just keep that in mind. It has been quite a while since we've seen these, so yeah, we got them returning 13 years later in 2024, and I will get into everything about these right here. This is size 13, so if anybody's interested, hit me up on my Instagram. I might have a size 12 too. That one isn't confirmed yet, so I have a 13 though. I mean, this is the one in my hand. So yeah, if anybody's interested, let me know. But that's pretty much everything I got to say. Don't forget, also on my IG down below, you guys should enter up for that Military Blue 4 giveaway. I got that going on right now. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you guys go do that, because I don't want y'all missing out on an opportunity to win a free pair. So that is all I'm going to say. Subscribe, like for more content like this, early pair reviews, just kind of like, you know, discussing the sneaker market, shoes to hold, shoes to sell off, stuff like that. You know, upcoming sneakers. I'm really trying to be all over it. So that's it. I hope y'all will enjoy it. And why don't we get into discussing the KD4 Weathermans, which are coming soon. So one of the main details I want to mention about the sneaker, as you guys can see, we still got, you know, that same Velcro strap, you know, with the Nike swoosh on it. You can just, you know, take it up, and then, you know, it kind of reveals, as you can see, that it's kind of green. It looks like a patent leather. It's not a patent leather though. You know, it's just the exact same material that they used on the OG ones. You can see also on the inside of the heel right here, it is pretty padded. Like you got a lot of you know, support here by your ankles, which is good. You know what I mean? You definitely need that on basketball shoes nowadays. I mean, people are just, yeah, there's so many points being scored running up and down the court. Yeah, you know, you definitely need some protection, or you know, your ankles are going to be busted. So I like what they got going on here. Also, another thing we can mention right here on the inside, as you guys can see, it says, there we go, it's showing a little bit better there, but it says the forecast calls for a thunderstorm. So that's pretty cool as well. I don't know if it actually says some on yeah, no, it doesn't say anything on the inside of this one. Now I'm remembering that. You guys can see it's just a few logos right there. So you can see you got the cloud, the lightning bolt, and the sun right there, which is pretty cool. I like what they did there. It's a little bit funky, a little bit different. Nice little touch right there. But also you guys can see we got the yellow Nike swoosh. Well, no, it's not really yellow. It's more or less a lime green. Let me correct myself. We got that lime green Nike swoosh again on that kind of green. On this kind of like stadium green. That's what they say on a few of the apps. Like, yeah, it's like a stadium green, but I mean, you could just, it's pretty similar to like almost like an Oregon, you know, green. I'm just thinking about that because my friend goes there, so I'm like, you know, what's like, you know, something I can remember. But also another thing we got right there is the sole. A lot of y'all were wondering about this part, and you know, that's definitely something I want to make sure I show, so you guys can see pretty much done the exact same. Really cool, just exactly kind of like a weather forecast, you know, kind of the more red parts, you know, where you got more rain, or just for me to keep it simple, you got more action going on where the red is. You got nothing going on really where the green is. You know, it's kind of calm. That's where a nice day is happening. If you're in the red, that's where a bad day is happening. You know what I mean? That's just me talking about the weather though, you know. But just another cool part of the sneaker that they have. I really like it. Definitely thought I would show you guys that. And we also got, again, kind of the laces, which are matching with the overall colorway of the sneaker. That's what we got for these. And also, another thing I want to show you all on the tongue tag, so I'm not forgetting that. We do have, I believe, KD's logo, right? I want to make sure I'm showing you all this so I'm not messing up, but I do believe... Right. The size tag is also on the inside of the tongue, like right here. Very interesting place, but it kind of makes sense, you know. Maybe that's where they did it on the 2011 pair. I haven't had one of those in a while, so I wouldn't be able to, you know, remember that right off the top of my head. But yeah, here is the portions on the tongue tag. As you guys can see, that kind of looks like a lightning bolt, but it also kind of looks a little bit like the number 13. Nah, there we go. I don't know why I was saying 13, 35. Yeah, geez. So as you guys can see, it says 35 right there. It just took me a little bit to kind of decipher that. I was like, is this a lightning bolt? I don't know why I was thinking that, but yeah, you kind of see it says 35 on right there on the tongue. It's much easier to notice in hand. It's kind of, it's weird, very weirdly written, but that's what it says on both the tongue tags, 35. Obviously being KD's number, so I don't know why I was thinking it was 13. Yeah, it'd be weird to have, you know, a different number other than the one you wear right now on the sneaker. That, you know, kind of, that would confuse people. So aside from that, another portion of the sneaker back here by the heel, I think this is fly. You know, we got the KD logo here, so it's not on the tongue tag. KD logo is actually back by the heel, and then on the tongue tag that would be his number, and on the you all can also see on the, we got his number a little bit. You can see it just says 13, or not 13. Why do I keep saying 13? 35. I mean, I was literally reading it. 35 right there on kind of the Velcro strap. Yeah, I'm going to stop saying 13. I don't know where I'm getting that number from or why I'm thinking of that. Probably someone March Madness. I don't know. Won a couple bets, lost a couple bets. That's how it be. At the end of the day, I made like $5. It's kind of funny. But yeah, another part I want to mention about the sneaker, man, is just the see-through soles. Like, I've already kind of, shown y'all these, but up close, y'all can notice it's see-through, that translucent design. I'm a sucker for that, so I might be going for these. I'm not going to lie. I might be looking for a 9 just because, yeah, I mean, these are clean, and I love see-through soles, so I'm definitely going to be looking for these. Probably not early. I'll probably just wait till release day, but, I mean, I think these are pretty cool. If you had a pair back in 2011, you're probably feeling some nostalgia right about now, considering that we're not having these drop again. It's been 13 years. I know I'll be able to feel those moments sooner or later. I'm not really, looking to rush into them, but eventually when I'm a bit older, we'll have some of those pairs, from when I was like right about now, or 17, 18, 20, 21, like I am right now. We'll start seeing some of those pairs retro, and I'll be like, oh shit, I remember those dropped at first. That will happen. I can almost guarantee it. Happens every time. But yeah, overall, just a really cool pair. Gonna be a great sneaker to hoop in, and it really just has a lot of details and a lot of touches that are very similar to the OG pair. So Nike, great job on getting this one done. I'm still like trying to figure out what this like material is. It's like kind of a leather material, but it's like, I don't know, it does not feel like that. You know what I mean? It feels a lot different, excuse me, than a leather material. Let me just, like, I can probably find this. Oh yeah, and I figured out the word for this finally. I don't know why I couldn't, but yeah, it's like meteorology, so kind of that weather forecast that, makes sense. I mean, it's in the name, Weatherman. I don't gotta explain that part. Y'all get it. Okay, yeah, so I was just tripping about how it looks, but I just read something about it. So everyone was using the word lush green. Just say green. It's a nice green colorway, but yeah, it's a leather material. I was just confused about how, it kind of looks almost a little bit polished. It doesn't quite look like leather, but that is what the upper is for anybody that is curious and what we got going out. Throughout pretty much the whole sneaker back here by the heel, exact same thing. Also got kind of this mesh cage right here as well. Just another detail I want to show you guys. But that's pretty much what we got with the 2024 KD4 Weathermans. Expect to release summer 2024, and let me know what y'all are feeling about these, man. It has been a minute since we've seen these drop, but I'm glad that we got these returning. And if anybody's, interested in any, just let me know. I got 12 and 13 at the moment, pretty much. 13 is the one I have right here. So if anybody's interested in this pair, let me know on my Instagram DMs. And if you also go to my Instagram, you can enter up for that Military Blue 4 giveaway. So don't forget about that. And of course, in the comments, I want to hear what you guys are thinking about these. So let me know down below. Are you going to be going for them? Are you going to be skipping out? I'd love to hear it. So that's really everything I need to get into and mention right there. Again, you can subscribe and like for more here on the channel. Just trying to 200 likes. And yeah, I hope to see you guys entering that giveaway down below, man. Don't miss out on your chance to potentially win a free Military Blue 4. And of course, drop your thoughts on these right here. I think it's a nice pair, but obviously your boy's not fitting at 13, so I cannot wear these. But yeah, that's everything I need to say. It has been 13 years since we've seen the KD4 Weatherman, and they will be returning this year in 2024. Hopefully, I got, proper, yeah, that's a proper angle. Just got the laces kind of hanging over, so it looks a little awkward. But yeah, I'll just, tuck those back in, and that's everything we need to get into here today. I'll see you all in the next video tomorrow. I got some schoolwork to do today, so yeah, we're going to get that done. I will catch you all in the next one, though, and let me know. I'll see y'all then. Peace.